Calling all wives, calling all wives. Are you married, divorced, or in a relationship seeking marriage? Then this workshop is for you. Hi, I'm Glenda Hyde. I'm the visionary and director of Unpack Your Purpose, a women's ministry that helps women to release emotional pain, rediscover their identity in Christ, and find their purpose. We have organized an amazing workshop for wives. In whatever stage of wife life you're in, you can come and be refreshed. You can receive healing if necessary, and you can receive wisdom to help you on your journey. So if any of that fits your criteria, then this workshop definitely is for you. Join us in the Humble and Houston area on August the 24th and register by August the 10th. If you plan on joining us in the Natchitoches, Louisiana area, you can register through August the 24th, and we'll see you on September 14th. Please share this video with anyone you believe could be blessed or helped by a workshop such as this, and we look forward to seeing you at the workshop. Blessings and grace upon you.